for buzzing bees in the trees, blowing bubbles in the summer breeze, bouncing balls as high as the sky, bright balloons that float and fly.
Wow! Hello friends, it's me Blippi. Today is going to be so much fun. We are going on an adventure, a letter adventure. And the star of our adventure is a very special letter. Can you guess what letter it is? It's a letter that makes a B sound. That's right, it's the letter B. Look, here it is, big letter B. It has a straight line down, and then two big bumps. A bump on top and a bump on the bottom. Isn't that cool? B. The letter B is so exciting. It starts so many amazing words. Words for things we see and do every day. When we say the letter B, our lips come together, like this. Buh, buh, buh. Can you try that with me? Put your lips together and say buh. Great job. You're a natural. We are going to find so many B words today. It's like a treasure hunt, but for letters. Are you ready to explore with me? Yeah, let's go. Think about things that start with B. Maybe something you play with, or something yummy you eat, or a fuzzy animal. There are so many possibilities. The letter B is all around us. Our first B word is something super fun to play with. It's round, and it bounces. Can you guess what it is? Ball. Yes, a ball. Look at this colorful ball. It's red and blue and yellow. We can bounce the ball. Bowing, 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 up and down. Let's pretend we are bouncing a big ball. Reach your hands out and bounce. Bounce. That's it. Balls are so much fun. We can roll them. We can throw them. We can catch them. Wow. Now, I'm feeling a little bit hungry after all that bouncing. I know another B word that is so yummy to eat. It's long and yellow and sweet. Can you guess? Banana. Yes, a banana. Bananas are delicious. And they are good for you too. We have to peel the banana. Peel the banana. Then we can take a bite. Nom nom nom. What a tasty B word. Banana. Say it with me. Banana. So good. Let's sing a little song about balls and bananas. Are you ready? Here we go. B is for ball. Bounce, bounce, bounce. B is for ball. All around the house. B is for banana, yummy and sweet. B is for banana, such a tasty treat. Yay! That was fun. Singing helps us remember new words. So we have ball and we have banana. Both start with the amazing letter B. Ball. Banana. You are doing such a great job learning these B words. Okay, friends, let's find another B word. This B word is for an animal, a big fuzzy animal. Sometimes they live in the woods, and they love honey. Can you guess? Bear. That's right, a bear. Look, a big brown bear. Grrr. Bears can be big and strong, but some bears are small and cuddly like a teddy bear. Do you have a teddy bear? Teddy bears are great for hugs. Bear. What a wonderful B word. Now here's another B word for a tiny little creature that flies. It makes a buzzing sound, and it loves flowers. Can you guess what it is? Bee. Yes, a bee. Bzz. Look at the little bee buzzing around. Bees are so important. They help flowers grow, and they make yummy honey, which the bears love. Bzz goes the busy bee. Can you make a buzzing sound like a bee? Bzz. That's a super bee sound. Let's sing about our new bee friends, the bear and the bee. Get your singing voices ready. Big brown bear, oh so grand, Bubba bear across the land. Busy little bee, biz, Bubba bee among the trees. That was a great song. Bears and bees, both starting with B. Bubba bear, Bubba bee. We are becoming B word experts. Imagine a big friendly bear giving you a gentle wave. Hello, Mr. Bear. And imagine a little bee buzzing from flower to flower, collecting sweet nectar. Bzz, so busy. Bears can be brown or black or even white like polar bears. And bees have yellow and black stripes. The letter B introduces us to so many interesting animals. Blue boats and blowing bubbles. Are you ready for more B words? I know I am. Our next B word is something that floats on the water. It can be big or it can be small. Boat. Yes, a boat. Look at this cool blue boat. It bobs on the waves. Bob. Now for something super fun that floats in the air. Bubbles. Yes, bubbles. Wow, look at all the bubbles. Pop. Blowing bubbles is so much fun. Boats and bubbles make our bee adventure so playful and bright. Section 5. Building with blocks and beautiful butterflies. Let's discover more amazing B words. This B word is for something we can use to build tall towers. They come in many colors and shapes. Can you guess what they are? Blocks? Yes, building blocks. Look at all these colorful blocks. We can stack them up. Let's build a big B tower. 1 block, 2 blocks, 3 blocks. Careful, don't let it tumble. Building with blocks is so creative. Blocks? What fun! Our next B word is for a beautiful insect with colorful wings. It flutters and flies from flower to flower. It starts as a little caterpillar. Can you guess? Butterfly? Yes, a butterfly. Look at this beautiful butterfly. Its wings are orange and black. It flutters so gracefully. Let's pretend our hands are butterfly wings. Flutter, flutter, flutter. So pretty. Butterflies make the world more colorful. Butterfly, a brilliant B word. Time for another B word song. Let's sing about blocks and butterflies. Building blocks up so high, blocks touch the sky. Beautiful butterfly flutters by, butterfly way up high. Yay, that was wonderful singing. Blocks for building and butterflies for beauty. Both start with our fantastic letter B, blocks, butterfly. You are all B word superstars. I am so proud of you. Learning is so much fun together. Imagine all the things you can build with blocks. A castle, a house, a super long train. You can use red blocks, blue blocks, yellow blocks, green blocks. So many possibilities. And butterflies. They come in so many different colors and patterns. Some are big, some are small. They dance in the sunshine. Blocks help us build and create. Butterflies show us how beautiful nature can be. The letter B is full of wonderful surprises, isn't it? Keep exploring. Wow, friends! We learned so many B words today. Ball, banana, bear, bee, boat, bubbles, blocks, butterfly. Give yourselves a big B clap, 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 clap. Now let's sing our Super B song. This song will help us remember all the fun things that start with B. Let's make some music. Here we go. Sing along. That was fantastic singing, everyone. See you next time for more adventures. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.